You might have a few goals set out for the years ahead. Financial planning is the process by which you can identify, prioritize, and plan to achieve those financial goals by saving and investing your money wisely. Here is how you can go about drafting a financial plan. Set your goals. It begins with you thinking of what your goals are, such as buying a new house or saving for your retirement. Categorize your goals as short, medium, and long-term goals. Set a target date and a priority level for each. Then, understand and calculate the financial cost of achieving these goals. Now that you have identified and prioritized your goals, let us start building your financial plan to fulfill them. Begin by organizing your financial records. File and categorize your financial records. Identify all your income and expenses, your savings, and any investments that you may have already made. Note down your income and expenses. On a monthly basis, list down all your incomes and expenses in separate columns. This will help you start tracking your monthly and your annual income and expenditure. Cut down unnecessary and high expenses. Figure out which monthly expenses are unnecessary and also any other expenses which you can reduce by smart budgeting. This sounds obvious, but you will be surprised how few people actually do this. The more money you can redirect towards planning for your goals, the sooner you shall accomplish them. Check your financial status. After all the budgeting, is the money remaining in the income column enough to get you to your financial goals? Will the changes in your income match those goals as you come close to reaching them? Would you be able to cope with any emergency expenses? Looking ahead will help you plan and invest better. Rethink your goals. Once you have an estimate of your expected cash flows for the coming years, realign your goals considering your priorities as well as factors such as inflation, which will make these goals more expensive in the future. Conduct your research. Gather all the details of your financial status and study the various investment options that are available. Create a financial plan. Once you've covered all of the previous steps, consider discussing your plan and goals in detail with a professional investment advisor. His professional advice may be valuable in sharpening your strategy and will also give you the confidence that you're on the right path. Stick to your financial plan. Once you start your investing journey, stay disciplined and keep track of your plan, including your budget, your financial status, and the timeline involved. Remain flexible. While sticking to the plan is important, it is also necessary to be flexible towards market movements, income changes, new opportunities available to invest in, life changes, etc. This intelligent maneuvering can make a big difference in the future. If your current financial plan doesn't feel viable because of new life events or changes in your goals, alter it to be more realistic. You may consult your investment advisor from time to time to see if any changes are necessary. Implement your financial plan at the earliest. Don't forget to track your progress regularly or on an ongoing basis. And make sure you review your financial plan regularly with your investment advisor. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.